I decided to transition into cybersecurity because, well, this is a true story. One day I just saw CFC's Google ad. I was just scrolling through my phone and I saw, oh, this looks interesting. And then they were offering, I believe it was called a taster session, like just for 7 hours. So I decided to sign up, and then I realized, hey, I actually really enjoyed this. What they, or rather, the skills required to be in cybersecurity, you need critical thinking, you need to know how to think ahead. You have to become sort of like an investigator, searching through logs, finding out what went wrong, and then that's when I realized, okay, why not just give this a shot? Every tutor would create their own notes like on the fly during the class in Notion or in with graphs. I thought that actually would help us to be more engaged rather than relying on pre-prepared PowerPoint slides. SOC Analyst level 1. I'm currently monitoring not just the company's own HQ network, but also we have other contractors and customers as well. We also help them to monitor their networks. And in a normal working day, like a 12-hour shift, we can receive literally, I think the world record a couple of days ago was 12,000 alerts. Wow. So immediately we have to, triage, figure out which ones are to focus on, which ones to just put aside first, look at it later. And the interesting thing about being a SOC analyst is you're not just monitoring network traffic, but in a way, you're also monitoring human behavior. Like we're required to use Microsoft Sentinel, and one of the ways to pass through the logs in Sentinel is we have to use, it's called KQL. It's a type of query language. Immediately, because the whole purpose of using that is to quickly narrow down to a specific piece of info in the logs where you want to take a particular string of data, for example, and immediately I'm thinking, hey, wait a minute, isn't this similar to Linux grabbing a piece of data and then narrowing it down using your AWK strings, all that? Yeah, it was just basically a different tool, but same idea. We are just using a different set of tools, but same purpose. So I thought, hey, wait a minute, this is what we learned basically. The fact that I invested time in this course, 8 to 9 months, shows that I am committed. I really want to make the switch. So if you give me a chance, I will definitely do my best. So I guess the job hunting process is all about assuring the hiring manager that you are genuinely passionate about cybersecurity. It's not just about your skills or your paper or your qualifications, that you are willing to put in the time to learn and continue learning, and even on the job. Like right now, I'm still learning a lot of things every day. It's a very broad topic, cybersecurity, that also can go very in-depth. Yeah. My practical advice to them is go for the taster session first that CFC offers. See if you like it, if it's your cup of tea, and if you like it, then go ahead. My philosophy in life is always, if you don't try, at least try, you won't know what will happen. And the journey may not be what you envision. The destination may not be what you envision. Like, I didn't anticipate working at this company, but at the very least, you've already taken the journey. So all the skills you've learned in CFC, cybersecurity, will be, I think, very, very useful for the rest of your life. You at least know that HTTP is completely unsafe. So don't use HTTP.